Hi, kindergarten. Today our lesson is called Map Symbols. Our learning target says that we can tell what map symbols are. Map Symbols by Karen Jones. When you look at a map, you may notice different pictures and symbols. A symbol is a picture that stands for something else. On some maps, you will see a map key. The map key tells you what the different pictures and symbols mean. A map key gives you information so that the map makes sense to you. If you didn't have a map key, you may not understand what everything on the map is. A map key uses colors and pictures to represent different places and things. One symbol that you may find on a map is a compass. A compass tells you what direction is north, south, east, and west on the map. You may find symbols for land and water. You may find symbols for mountains and roads. Can you find these symbols on the map? You may find symbols for important places like hospitals and police stations. What important places can you find on this map? What do you think these symbols represent? A map key helps you unlock the important parts of a map. Be sure to look for the map key the next time you look at a map. Kindergarten, this is your job today. You are going to use the map key to label the places on the map. So for example, right up here, you notice that this is a symbol and there's a line right next to it. You're going to come down here to the key and you're going to find the symbol that matches. Oh, look at that. That is the symbol for the hospital. So on this line right here, you will write hospital. You're going to do that for the rest of the symbols on the map and do the quick check at the bottom. Thanks, boys and girls. Have a great afternoon.